Saurabh Singh. I am working as an executive chef at 4 Points Certain Coachings. Today I am going to make some of the interesting like healthy salads and some of the main course which you will able to make at home easy. If you don't have to go anywhere, and at home, being in a home, you can stay at home and then you can make that food easily. We are making a whole wheat fettuccine caponata. So for making a whole wheat fettuccine, that these are the ingredients are required. Though there is an ingredient basically in the first step that we have to make the pasta dough. So for the fettuccine we have to make the dough. So the dough we required, like we have a whole wheat. So then you can take a 300 grams whole wheat, and then we required egg yolk. So you have to remove the egg white from there. We required 4 egg yolk. Then we required pinch of salt and almost like a 10 gram of semolina and olive oil. So this is the requirement for the fettuccine pasta dough. And then we will come to the sauce, like a caponata sauce. For the caponata we required the julienne of garlic, and then the chopped onion, and then after that we required onion, tomato, we required capsicum, we required brinjal, we required oregano, and we required little bit of tomato paste, and then we required olives, parmesan cheese and black pepper. So these are the ingredients we required for the pasta. So the whole wheat flour 300 grams, 4 egg yolk, approx 10 grams semolina, salt half tablespoon, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Then we have to make
If you want, we can sprinkle little bit of water, like a warm water, little bit. You can see that dough how, if you want to put little bit of sprinklings of water, the dough should not be like thick, it should be soft dough. To see that the dough is ready.
And we have to give resting the dough for a half an hour. So try to wrap the dough with a clean wrap. And we can keep the dough for a resting half an hour. See that the dough is already rested for 30 minutes. I wrapped the dough, and now we can remove the wrap, and it's become soft dough which we have to roll it now. Put the little bit of flour on the base. And we are making whole wheat pasta. It is not like a refined flour. It's a whole wheat. So whole wheat is always healthier.
And now we'll cut it in a fettuccine shape. Now we can remove that. So it will become like a lengthwise pasta. And after removing it all, we have to blanch the pasta.
For 7 minutes, and then we will make a caponata sauce. So our fettuccine pasta is almost ready. Now we have to boil the pasta. For the boiling the pasta, we have to ensure that water is hot. See, the water is hot, and then we have to put a little bit of salt and little olive oil, just a drop, and then the pasta, whole wheat fettuccine pasta which we have prepared, homemade. Now we'll blanch that. We have to blanch this for 5 to 7 minutes. Ensure when we are cutting it, you put a little bit of whole wheat flour so it's not be sticking together. So you have to boil it for 7 minutes, and then we will make the sauce. Alright, so now we are making caponata sauce for fettuccine. So that you ensure that pan is hot. You can fill that pan, and then after that we have to put olive oil, because this pasta is Italian dish. So it's always that you always should be preparing with the olive oil. And so olive oil we have already poured, extra virgin olive oil. Then we put little onion, then we have to put garlic, slit garlic, So we just have to stir that onion and garlic. We don't have to cook like a brown. Just stir it. So the rawness of that onion and garlic should go. And then we have to put brinjal. And then capsicum. And little tomato, all diced. And then you put little bit of, this is a tomato paste. Just take 2 tomato and then puree it, and you can put it. And now we have to put a spice. We have to put little chili flakes. We have to put little bit of black pepper. Put little bit of oregano. Either you can put basil. The basil gives good flavor. Add little salt as well. So the pasta sauce, the caponata sauce is ready, and now we will be removing fettuccine pasta, which is almost like a 5 minutes boiled. After that, removing the pasta, we will add that and we will serve. Now that pasta is ready, you can check. You can take the pasta with the hand. You can feel that. See, it's already al dente. Now we can strain that pasta. And after that, you have to put little olive oil so the pasta will not stick. And now this pasta will add to the sauce. Now the pasta, we will put this pasta to the sauce. Fettuccine, whole wheat fettuccine and the caponata sauce. And slowly we have to stir it. See the lovely pasta. And very easy to make at home. The recipe is already cleared, whole wheat. And now we'll serve this pasta. And when the pasta is ready, if you want to try that Parmesan cheese, you can put the Parmesan cheese on the top. And little olives. The caponata sauce. Yeah. So now the pasta, see, the pasta is ready, and now we have to plate that pasta. You want to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top, a little bit of crushed pepper. So whole wheat fettuccine pasta is ready. You can make this pasta at home, and then all that ingredient you will able to get it at home. We don't have to go anywhere. And then like we are talking about is the whole wheat, and always in any of the home that whole wheat used to be available there. So the pasta is ready. You can have it, enjoy it with your family. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.